Look at the question number 2 now. Find the values of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. That vertex angle is x, other two base angles are 50 and y, and then exterior angle is 120 degree. Exterior angle is what? 120 degree. Find the values of x and y. Now, by using exterior angle sum property, you can find the value of x first. Am I right? What is exterior angle sum property? In a triangle, if any side is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of opposite angles to the interior. Right? Now which one is exterior angle here? This is the exterior angle. So that is 120 degree is equal to, which one is interior? Y is an interior angle. That is equal to sum of opposite angle to the interior. What are the two opposite angles to the interior? X and 50 degree. X plus 50 degree. It is what? Exterior angle sum property. Since used exterior angle sum property. Now find the value of x now. Once if you get the value of x, and then by using angle sum property of a triangle, you can find the value of y. Otherwise, what you can do? You can find the linear, by using linear pair, you can find the value of y. Right? Using linear pair. Now keep the unknown variable on the left hand side. Here what is the unknown variable? X. So keep it in the left hand side. So x plus 50, which is equal to 120 degree. X is equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree, then x is equal to 70 degree. X is equal to how much? 70 degree. Right. Once if you get the value of x, you can find the value of y by using angle sum property of a triangle. What is that? X plus 50 plus y is equal to 180 degree, since angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. So already we got the value of x. Substitute here. So x is what? 70 plus 50 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus 50 is how much? 120 plus y, that is equal to 180 degree. Then y equal to 180 minus 120 degree. Transpose 120 from left hand side to right hand side. Therefore 180 minus 120 is what? 60 degree. So we have got the value of x as well as y here. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. Now look at the question number second part. Second question, second part. In the given diagram, you have to find the values of x and y. So first you can write the value of y. We know that if the two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Y equal to 80 degree you can write, since vertically opposite angles are equal. These are the two vertically opposite angles. These are the two vertically opposite angles. After that, once you get the value of y, then you can able to find the value of x by using angle sum property of a triangle. So y plus 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Y is nothing but 80 degree plus 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 80 plus 50 is how much? 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So x is equal to 180 degree plus 130 becomes minus 130 degree. So 180 minus 130 is what? 50 degree. X equal to what? 50 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. So we move to the next part. In the next part, the diagram is in a triangle. It is an exterior angle. Exterior angle is x, interior angle is y, and then vertex angle is 50, another base angle is 60. Another base angle is what? 60. So we are going to find the values of x and y. We know that it is an exterior angle. So exterior angle equal to what? Sum of the two opposite angles to the interior. So x is equal to 50 degree plus 60 degree. So 50 exterior angle, it is an exterior angle, it is an interior angle. These are the two opposite angles to this interior. Exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle sum property. So x equal to 50 plus 60 is what? 110 degree. X is equal to 110 degree. Once if you get the value of x, you can able to find the value of y by using angle sum property of a triangle, otherwise by using linear pair. By using linear pair. In this question we will using linear pair, we will find the value of y here. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree since it is a linear pair. Since it is a linear pair. So already we found the value of x. X is what? 110 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then y equal to 180. Transpose this 110 degree from left hand side to right hand side. Then it is minus 110 degree. 180 minus 110 is what? 70 degree. 180 minus 110 is what? 70 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. Now we found both the values of x and y here. X and y here. Then come to the next question. Next part, that is fourth part. In a triangle, vertex angle is given y. Here it is another base angle is 30 and then another base angle is x. One base angle is 30 degree, another base angle is x degree, and then it is given that 60. It is given that 60. Right? Now directly you can tell the answer for x. What is that? X is how much? 60 degree. X equal to how much? 60 degree since vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So once if you found the value of x, you can able to find the values of y by using angle sum property of a triangle, that is 30 plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property of a triangle. Right? Now we found the value of x. Substitute in that. So 30 plus 60 plus y, it is the fourth subdivision, plus y equal to 180 degree. Then 30 plus 60 is how much? 90 degree, plus y equal to 180 degree. Then y equal to transpose this 90 from left hand side to right hand side. So plus 90 becomes minus 90. So 180 minus 90 is how much, dear? 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is how much? 90 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. So we move to the next part now. That is fifth part. Fifth part. It's a triangle. It's y. It is 90 degree. The base angles are given that x and x. Two base angles are each. Two base angles are equal. Now we can tell the value of y. Can you tell me the reason why? Yes, the y equal to 90 degree since vertically opposite angles. If the two lines intersect at a point, these are the two lines intersect at a point, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, therefore y equal to how much? 90 degree. And then once if you get the value of y, you can able to find the value of x by using angle sum property of a triangle, that is y plus x is equal to 180 degree since angle sum property. So that is y plus x is 2x is equal to 180 degree. Already we found the value of y, substitute here. So 90 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is how much? 90 degree. So 2x, that is equal to 90 degree. Then x value is what? X value is what? 90 degree by 2. X value is what? 90 degree by 2. That is 90 degree by 2. That is x is equal to 45 degree. X equal to how much? 45 degree. Are you getting here? So 45 plus 45 is 90. Already we found the value of y is also 90. So 90 plus 90 will be 180 degree. 90 plus 90 will be 180 degree. Am I right? Yeah. This is the last question for you. Sixth part. This is the given diagram. Here it is x, it's y here, It is x. It is x. Okay. So here what we can say, these are the two lines. What are the two lines? These are the two lines intersect at a point. Therefore, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, x is equal to y, you can say. Vertically opposite angles are equal. If it is x, it is also x. Am I right? If it is x, it is also x. Because these are the two lines intersect at a point, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. So these are the two lines intersect at a point, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. Right? Now in a triangle, x plus y is equal to 180 degree, since angle sum property of a triangle. So x plus x, what is the value of y here? Y is also x, is equal to 180 degree. So x plus x, 2x, 2x plus x is 3x. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Then x value is nothing but 180 by 3, which is equal to 60 degree. Which is equal to 60 degree. So we know that the value of x is equal to what? Y. X and y are equal. Therefore, we know that x is equal to y. X is what? 60 degree. Therefore, y is also 60 degree. Therefore, y is also 60 degree. Am I right here? Right? So we completed this exercise 6.3. On the Monday we will start exercise 6.4. So tomorrow I am planning to give one small test based on lines and angles. Am I right here? Yeah. Thank you everybody. Thank you.